Theta value equivalent to 42,735 rands a coin. The present cost range 42.5 500 245 726. The earlier day close 44.40 19. The change was 15 384, 346%. Opposite rate, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 82.10 rands. Exorbitant cost 82.10, while low cost 64.13. They found the middle value of cost 74.32. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 68.96. Change for August 16%. Theta estimate for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 68.96 rands. Exorbitant cost 85.59, while low cost 68.96. They found the middle value of cost 75.88. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 79.99. Change for September 16%. Theta cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at 79.99 rands. Excessive cost 99.29, while low cost 79.99. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 88.2. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 92.79. Change for October 16%. Theta conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at 92.79 rands. Excessive cost 109.19, while low cost 92.79. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 99.21. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 102.05. Change for November 10%. Theta cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at 102.05 rands. Exorbitant cost 114.76, while low cost 99.74. They found the middle value of cost 105.95. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 107.25. Change for December 5.1%. Theta estimate for January 2025. To start with cost at 107.25 rands. Exorbitant cost 116.60, while low cost 101.34. They found the middle value of cost 108.54. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 108.97. Change for January 16%. Theta cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at 108.97 rands. Excessive cost 118.83, while low cost 103.29. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 110.54. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 111.06. Change for February 19%. Theta figure for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 111.06 rands. Excessive cost 120.74, while low cost 104.94. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 112.40. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 112.84. Change for spring 16%. Theta cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at 112.84 rands. Excessive cost 112.84, while low cost 95.58. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 106.01. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 102.77. Change for April 8.9%. Theta figure for May 2025. To start with cost at 102.77 rands. Exorbitant cost 107.19, while low cost 93.17. They found the middle value of cost 183. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 118. Change for May 5%. Theta cost expectation for June 2025. To start with cost at 118 rands. Exorbitant cost 118, while low cost 83.66. They found the middle value of cost 93.50. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 89.96. Change for June 10.2%. Theta figure for July 2025. Initially cost at 89.96 rands. Excessive cost 110.96, while low cost 89.96. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 98.65. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 103.70. Change for July 15%. Theta cost expectation for August 2025. Initially cost at 103.70 rands. Excessive cost 128.71, while low cost 103.70. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 114.10. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 120.29. Change for August 16%. Theta gauge for September 2025. In the first place cost at 120.29 rands. Exorbitant cost 130.76, while low cost 113.66. The found the middle value of cost 121.73. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 122.21. Change for September 16%. Theta cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 122.21 rands. Exorbitant cost 132.86, while low cost 115.48. The found the middle value of cost 123.68. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 124.17. Change for October 16%. Theta gauge for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 124.17 rands. Exorbitant cost 145.59, while low cost 124.17. The found the middle value of cost 132.50. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 136.07. Change for November 96%. Theta cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 136.07 rands. Exorbitant cost 143.33, while low cost 124.57. The found the middle value of cost 134.48. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 133.95. Change for December 16%. Theta conjecture for January 2026. Before all else, cost at 133.95 rands. Excessive cost 133.95, while low cost 111.14. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 124.64. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 119.50. Change for January 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at 119.50 rands. Excessive cost 145.84, while low cost 119.50. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 130.29. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 136.30. Change for February 14.1%. Theta figure for walk 2026. Initially cost at 136.30 rands. Excessive cost 136.30, while low cost 118.2. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 129.38. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 126.90. Change for spring 6.9%. Theta cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at 126.90 rands. Exorbitant cost 137.96, while low cost 190.90. The found the middle value of cost 128.42. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 128.93. Change for April 16%. Theta estimate for May 2026. To start with, cost at 128.93 rands. Exorbitant cost 140.16, while low cost 121.82. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 130.48. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 130.99. Change for May 16%. Theta cost expectation for June 2026.